Hello friend, we will today we will see a problem on LeetCode called validate binary search tree. In this problem, uh, this is a this function expect one parameter called root, which is the root of a tree, and we have to tell whether this tree is a binary search tree or not. For solving this problem, we will use the property of binary search tree, which is the left child should be less than equal to node and right child should be greater than the root. So using this property, we will solve this problem. We will solve this problem using a recursion. So we just create one method called helper. This method will expect three parameters. First is a node, second is a mean value, and third is a max value. Basically, node is a current node, and mean value and max value will be the current the node value should lie in between mean value to max value. This is so just let's write a breaking condition. If node is a null or none, we are just returning a true. Now let's check another condition. If suppose current node val is less than or equal to mean value, or node val is greater than or equal to max value, means it is violating our condition, so therefore we are returning false. Basically, node val should lie in between mean value to max val. It should not be less than equal to mean value, and it should not greater than equal to the max value. Now we have to repeat this procedure in subsequent left subtree as well as right subtree. So we simply call this method helper method on node.left, and when you are traversing to the left subtree, the minimum value is always minus infinity, so we will not change minimum value, but we will change the maximum value, which is node.val. Now let's repeat this procedure for right subtree. So we will call this helper function on node.right. Here on the right subtree, maximum value can be anything, but minimum value is a current node value. So node val minimum value, and we are not doing anything with maximum value. So this is it. Let's call this helper function. So return self dot helper pass root, and initially our minimum value will be minus infinity and maximum value will be the plus infinity. So for this we have to import a math. Minimum value is minus infinity and maximum value is a plus infinity. So this is it. Let's see this code works or not. Yeah, it works. So this is a solution for validate binary search tree. Thank you so much everyone.